So this uplifting blend is really interesting. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to be uplifted, but you don't want to be, electrified? You just want to be gently motivated and gently stimulated. Well, this combination of 3 essential oils is going to deliver that for you. So I'm going to use geranium, cardamom and ginger. So warming ginger helps to just make this blend feel like an uplifting blanket. Then we have the aphrodisiac benefits of cardamom, which is quite exciting, depending on how you want to use this. And then we also have the beautiful floral support of geranium essential oil. So let's make a blend. So this is my diffuser. I'm going to take the lid off and I'm just going to fill it up to the max line with fresh water. So you can turn any of my diffusion blends into roller balls and massage oils, anything like that. If you want to know how to do that, visit any of our massage videos or our roller ball videos or pulse blend videos or aroma stick videos. The beauty of aromatherapy is the diversity in delivery. You can use the same essential oils in 3 or 4 different ways and get slightly different effects, but you're still working with the same essential oils, ultimately getting the overall goal, which in this case is an uplifting but not very motivational effect and aroma. So firstly, I'm going to use geranium. I'm going to use 4 drops. The geranium is a beautiful floral oil, wonderful for our mood, female health, great with anxiety. It's so nice, it smells so nice. The cardamom is an essential oil that kind of has got pigeonholed as a digestive essential oil, and rightly so, but it's also beautiful. It is slightly aphrodisiac, so it's really interesting in romantic blends, self-love blends, massage blends, but the smell is really different of cardamom. Cardamom's a really interesting smell, especially when you pair it with florals. Now my third is ginger, and 2 drops of ginger is loads. Now if you have ginger CO2 extracted oil, you can use it as a substitution here, no problem. Ginger CO2 will give you a more ginger-like or more true to the actual root aroma. So if you have ginger CO2, you can easily make that substitution. But ginger in this adds this rounded warming aroma, which is beautiful. So this is my uplifting blend, but it's leaning into my romantic category. So if you smell this and you think, that's my Friday night blend, you're right, and you've got a great nose, because that's exactly what it's really good for. Okay, put your cap on. I would diffuse this for about 20 minutes to an hour. If you've kids in the room, they may not like it, it's quite strong. And if you have animals in the room, make sure you open the doors and let them leave if they want to. They will just leave if they don't like the smell, but you need to open the doors and give them a chance to leave. You will love this. If you need any substitutions, if you don't have any of those oils and you want some suggestions, leave a comment in the box below and I'll happily help you. Any questions about how to buy diffusers, which diffusers to buy, then just drop me a comment and I will guide you in any way I can. If you try this, let me know what you think and let me know if you love it. I do.